This video will focus on the second of two methods of searching in Global Insight. Sometimes it can be simple to search and sometimes it can be rather complex. For instance, country-specific data such as GDP versus cross-country data such as exchange rates. It also depends a lot on how the data is arranged in the database. There are times when you need to find a similar set of data series, either similar name by many countries, for instance exchange rate, like Chile, GDP, exchange rate, exports. In these cases, the tree search may be a better strategy. Each database or data service has its own type of tree. This example shows a tree search using the Global Insight trees. In another video, we will show how to do a tree search in the World Bank World Development Indicators database. Let's look for exchange rates for Australia and Brazil. The first decision in a tree search is to figure out which trunk of the tree to start with. For example, in Global Insight, trunks include global economy, financial market, and so on. Exchange rates are a global economy concept, so we will start with the global economy tree. When using the tree search, the best practice is to start with the concept. GI will not display a result if another criteria like time or country is not available. Click on Concept, and a set of concepts will appear with plus in a box. The plus in the box means that there are other more detailed concepts within the broader concept. Click on the plus next to Key Indicators, which reveals the detailed series available in this database. Use the slide bar to find Exchange Rate US Dollar. Click that box. Notice that as you click on these concepts, they appear in the selected criteria area on the right-hand side. Now that we have the exchange rate selected, we are ready to get our countries. Click on Geography. Under Available Criteria on the left-hand side, regions of the world with plus boxes are revealed. For Brazil, click on the plus Latin America and use the slide bar to click on Brazil. Notice that you have added Brazil to the selected criteria. This helps you keep track of what data you have already selected. Click on the plus Asia Pacific and use the slide bar to click on Australia. We can now get the data by clicking the green Go button. Let's narrow the set of series by clicking on the Frequency button and selecting Monthly, and going back to click Go. To take a quick look at the series, highlight them both and click on the Chart button at the lower left. Although this chart is helpful, there is too much data. The data goes too far back in history. We might like to look just at the period from 1990 forward. Or returning to our previous example of Chile's GDP, we might like to see how the GDP changes or grows over time. The next video discusses how to save the data, narrow the data range, and do some basic manipulations of the data.